Another standoff between residents and two bears began again in a residential area of Iwaizumi, Iwate Prefecture, on November 18th.
柿の木の高い方へと登り、今柿の実を食べています。
The bears were completely absorbed in eating the persimmons. When they finished one, they reached for another. Then they climbed higher and grabbed another. The two bears, believed to be a mother and cub, have stayed there since around 6 a.m. This place.
子熊が下で親が上。
This is the same spot as the two bears appeared yesterday. They stayed for 13 hours from early morning, eating one persimmon after another. They seemed to like the taste, as they came back again the next day. Temperatures dropped sharply in Iwate, starting on the 17th. As snow began to fall,
熊が今木を降りているのが確認できます。
the bear retreated for a moment. But as soon as the snowfall eased, just about 30 minutes later,
また熊が木の上に登ってきました。
it resumed feeding again on the branches. Soon after, the other bear also went up. Before long, only a few persimmons were left. For residents living nearby, every day comes with danger. Police say they deployed a special project team responsible for bear removal using rifles on the 18th. Despite the deepening winter cold, bear sighting reports show no sign of stopping. At an elementary school in Otaru, Hokkaido, clear bear tracks were left in the snow. The size of the claws can also be seen. In Morioka City, Iwate Prefecture, a bear was seen crossing a roadway, carrying something white in its mouth before disappearing toward a park. A short time later, a commercial facility in the area became chaotic.
2階の駐車場の部分に熊が居座っているということです。
It is unclear if it was the same animal, but a bear, possibly the one seen earlier about 650 meters away, entered the facility. It was tranquilized with a blow dart and captured. Even as winter sets in, the bears show no sign of hibernating, instead appearing actively in urban areas. Continued vigilance is necessary,